Hello everyone, this is the Think Civil channel, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a line between two lines in a simple and fast way. And before that, I hope you will like the video and subscribe to my channel because this will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So let us see how this is work. First, from the panel buttons, pick the line command. Then press shift and right click. A list will appear to you, and choose the third option, mid between 2 points. It will not make difference if you pick this is the first point or this is the first point. So click here, then click here, and as you see, it is drawn between the first line and the second line. And if you want to make sure this will draw between these two lines, measure the distance from the first point to the line. As you see, it is equal to 3, and from the other side it is also equal to 3. And this is all what is related to this video, and I hope you will not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.